Transportation is essential to our lives. Every day, millions of people rely on various modes of transportation to get to work, school, and other important destinations. Whether it's by bus, train, car, bike, or on foot, the way we move shapes our daily experiences and impacts our quality of life. We use it every day. But have you ever stopped to think about how technology is changing the way we travel? The advancements in artificial intelligence are not just limited to our smartphones and computers. They are revolutionizing the transportation sector as well. AI is transforming transportation as we know it. From the software that powers our navigation systems to the algorithms that predict traffic patterns, AI is at the heart of modern transportation innovations. From self-driving cars to smart traffic systems, AI is making our journeys safer, faster, and more efficient. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past, where your car can drop you off and park itself, and where public transportation is always on time. Imagine a future where you can sit back, relax, and let your car navigate through rush hour traffic. This is not just a dream, it's becoming a reality thanks to AI. Autonomous vehicles are designed to handle complex driving tasks, allowing you to focus on other activities while on the road. This is the promise of AI in transportation. It's about more than just convenience. It's about creating a safer and more efficient transportation ecosystem. With AI, we can reduce accidents caused by human error, optimize traffic flow, and even lower emissions by making our journeys more efficient. AI is not just a futuristic concept, it's already here. Companies around the world are investing heavily in AI technologies to improve transportation. From startups to tech giants, the race to develop the best AI-driven transportation solutions is on. Companies like Tesla are developing self-driving cars. These vehicles are equipped with advanced sensors and AI algorithms that allow them to navigate complex urban environments with ease. The goal is to create a seamless and safe driving experience for everyone. Ride-hailing services use AI to optimize routes and reduce wait times. By analyzing traffic data in real time, these services can provide faster and more efficient rides, making it easier for people to get where they need to go. AI is revolutionizing the way we move, and its impact will only continue to grow in the coming years. As technology advances, we can expect even more innovative solutions that will make our transportation systems smarter, safer, and more efficient. The future of transportation is bright, and AI is leading the way. Self-driving cars are no longer science fiction, they are becoming a reality. These vehicles use AI to navigate roads without human intervention. Imagine a world without traffic accidents, where cars can communicate with each other to avoid collisions. This technology has the potential to improve road safety, reduce traffic congestion, and provide mobility for people who are unable to drive themselves. While there are still challenges to overcome, the development of self-driving cars is rapidly advancing, and we can expect to see them on our roads in the near future. Self-driving cars rely on a complex interplay of sensors and artificial intelligence. Sensors like cameras, radar, and LiDAR collect data about the car's surroundings. This data is then fed into a neural network, which acts as the car's brain. The neural network processes the sensor data and makes decisions about steering, acceleration, and braking. Through machine learning, these networks can learn from vast amounts of data and improve their driving skills over time. The more they drive, the better they become at navigating complex situations. AI is not just limited to vehicles, it's also transforming traffic management. Smart traffic systems use AI to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. By analyzing real-time data from traffic cameras and sensors, AI algorithms can adjust traffic light timings, provide drivers with alternative routes, and even predict accidents before they happen. This intelligent traffic management system leads to shorter commute times, reduced fuel consumption, and a decrease in accidents. As cities become more congested, AI-powered traffic management will become increasingly crucial for keeping our roads moving smoothly. Section 5. Streamlining logistics with AI, delivering efficiency. The transportation of goods is another area where AI is making a significant impact. By leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning, companies can now manage their logistics operations with unprecedented precision and efficiency. This transformation is not just about moving goods from point A to point B. It's about optimizing every step of the process to ensure maximum efficiency and cost-effectiveness. AI-powered logistics systems optimize delivery routes, track shipments in real time, and even predict potential delays. These systems analyze vast amounts of data, including traffic patterns, weather conditions, and historical delivery times, to make informed decisions that enhance the overall logistics process. This level of insight allows companies to anticipate and mitigate potential issues before they arise. This leads to faster delivery times, reduced transportation costs, and improved efficiency for businesses. By minimizing delays and optimizing routes, companies can ensure that their products reach customers more quickly and reliably. This not only enhances customer satisfaction but also provides a competitive edge in the market. For example, companies like Amazon are using AI to optimize their delivery networks. Amazon's sophisticated AI systems analyze a multitude of factors to streamline their logistics operations. This includes everything from warehouse management to last-mile delivery, ensuring that each step of the process is as efficient as possible. AI algorithms analyze factors such as distance, traffic conditions, and delivery windows to determine the most efficient routes for their delivery drivers. By continuously learning and adapting to new data, these algorithms can make real-time adjustments to routes, further enhancing efficiency and reducing delivery times. This ensures that packages are delivered on time and at the lowest possible cost. The integration of AI in logistics not only benefits companies by reducing operational costs, but also contributes to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly approach to transportation. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even greater advancements in the efficiency and effectiveness of logistics operations. Section 6. Predictive maintenance, keeping vehicles running smoothly. AI is playing an increasingly important role in vehicle maintenance. Predictive maintenance systems use AI to predict when a vehicle is likely to experience a mechanical issue. By analyzing data from sensors that monitor engine performance, tire pressure, and other vital systems, AI algorithms can identify potential problems before they occur. This allows fleet managers and vehicle owners to schedule maintenance proactively, reducing the risk of breakdowns and extending the lifespan of their vehicles. Predictive maintenance not only saves money, but also improves safety by preventing accidents caused by mechanical failures. Section 7. Safety First, addressing concerns and regulations. While the potential benefits of AI in transportation are vast, it's important to address the safety concerns and regulatory challenges. The integration of AI into our transportation systems promises to revolutionize the way we travel, making it more efficient, safer, and more accessible. However, this transformation comes with its own set of challenges that must be carefully navigated. One of the main concerns is the reliability of AI systems, especially in unpredictable situations. For instance, how will an AI system react to sudden changes in the environment, such as a pedestrian unexpectedly crossing the street or an unforeseen obstacle appearing on the road? These scenarios require sophisticated algorithms and extensive testing to ensure that AI can handle them safely and effectively. Ensuring that self-driving cars can handle unexpected events safely is crucial. This involves not only advanced programming but also rigorous real-world testing. Engineers and developers must simulate countless scenarios to prepare AI systems for any eventuality. The goal is to create a level of reliability that surpasses human drivers, reducing accidents and saving lives. Another challenge is establishing clear regulations for self-driving cars and other AI-powered transportation systems. These regulations must address a wide range of issues, from the technical standards that AI systems must meet to the legal implications of their use. Who is liable in the event of an accident involving a self-driving car? How should insurance policies be structured to account for AI-driven vehicles? Governments and regulatory bodies need to develop comprehensive frameworks that address issues such as liability, insurance, and data privacy. Data privacy is particularly important, as AI systems often rely on vast amounts of data to function effectively. Ensuring that this data is collected, stored, and used in a way that respects individuals' privacy rights is essential. As AI continues to transform the transportation industry, addressing these concerns will be paramount to ensuring its safe and ethical deployment. The collaboration between engineers, policymakers, and legal experts is crucial in creating a future where AI enhances our transportation systems while safeguarding public safety and privacy. By proactively addressing these challenges, we can pave the way for a more efficient, safer, and smarter transportation network. Section 8, Conclusion: AI is driving transportation forward. AI is revolutionizing the transportation industry, making our journeys safer, faster, and more efficient. From self-driving cars to smart traffic systems, AI is transforming the way we move. While there are challenges to overcome, the potential benefits of AI in transportation are vast. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the transportation sector. The future of transportation is being shaped by AI, and it's an exciting time to witness this transformation unfold. Section 9, Coming Soon: Exploring AI and Ethics. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it's essential to consider the ethical implications. In our next exploration, we'll delve into the complex relationship between AI and ethics. We'll examine the potential biases of AI algorithms and discuss the importance of responsible AI development. Join us as we navigate the ethical landscape of this transformative technology.